Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Hey. Yeah. Guys, so we just arrived at the airport. We're at the OR Tambo International. We just arrived. We are about to check in. Well, I don't even know what time we're supposed to check in, but we got here at 8:30. Our flight leaves at 10:35. So we got 2 hours. Right on time, baby.
Because we are back.
Guys, someone did not sleep last night.
Oh my goodness.
Let's talk about that. Guys, Urato did not sleep. Wait, and I know I had said I'm leaving alone. Baby girl
Decided.
Miguel decides Uguti.
Wherever the wind
Excuse me.
blows, Miguel.
Hey, you are. Askara fig, utu screenshot jang cause ingoti libito lakho. Tshanta screenshot. Into engihlale ngisho enebheka. Oh my god, I was just send it to you. Can I just send it to you?
You've been saying that.
No, but that's the thing. Rato, like I also feel and already what is.
I love this. What?
This. Hi guys. Hey. So we finally landed. I'm so exhausted.
It was good.
It was a good flight, Shem. I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
But I'm exhausted. I hate the landing, but must say, great pilot. Thank you God for safe travels. So now we're gonna request our Uber and go to our apartment. I guess we'll see you guys there.
Yeah. Mbali. Open. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? There's someone here. How are you?
I'm good. Welcome to Cape Town.
Thank you.
So guys, we just arrived at the apartment. So this is just like the apartment tour. Okay, so this is like the master bedroom. The bathroom. This is just a shower. And candle lights, and then the bed, obviously. Curtains. It has like an ocean view, and let me just show you guys. Ooh, lighting. So straight down there is the ocean. We're right at the CBD, guys. The mirrors here are just so amazing. This is me, obviously. The pictures I'm gonna take here, guys. Okay, my outfit. I didn't show you my outfit. It's just what I decided to wear: boots, and I had a cardigan on because I thought it was gonna be cold. This is our bathroom. It smells so divine. I think this is, yeah, let's have in my flatsies. Oh, there's a mop. All right, I thought I was gonna record in here, but I don't see any. Okay, we'll just see. So this will be a room for our stay. I don't know how. Ooh, guys, this is the view. that's the view. We've got an Absa, Vodacom, Samsung, and apparently Long Street is like a few blocks away. There's the ocean or somewhere, I don't know where. And yeah, guys, Table Mountain is just there. It is so beautiful. Like the pictures I'm gonna be taking in here. This will be our closet space, so we'll just put our things in here. There's a candle. This is our living area. Hey Rati.
Hey honey.
How you darling? I know, right? There's so many lights. So Lemo, there's like that view as well. Couch. I love that. Guys, this is the speaker, by the way. Yes. I'll check just now. The TV. Thank God, DSTV. And our dining table. This is the kitchen. You know what I love? I love Uguti. Oh, the mother. I can't name her. She has like the art, even in the house. Actually, like it's a nice thingy. Yeah, she's very arty. This is our fridge, guys. Rata, please open our fridge. Okay, just mini open. Thank you. We don't have food yet. You need to go do grocery shopping. This is like the laundry machine. This is the dishwasher, trash can, sink, the view again. Like I feel like I'm gonna enjoy doing the dishes. Psych. Nope. Hey guys, I'm so exhausted. So we just came back. Okay, so after Sifi Galana, we decided to just like put our bags in our room, and then we went like downtown. Well, we're living in downtown, so we just walked a few blocks. So we're taking like groceries and food to eat now because we're starving. And we just came back. My feet hurt. I'm tired. There's a pool downstairs, so you might just like chill there. It's hot. The weather is perfect. I'm so happy. I'm happy. So I decided, you know what, let me just end this video here, because I mean there's still more to come, right? So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We love you. Rati is changing or doing something. I don't know what she's doing in the room. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. And we love you. Have a great week ahead. Bye. Yes. Yeah. That was an intro, not